Hello, I'm Alex from Promonoise, and I have some exciting news today about the world of decoration. Yep, that's right, decoration. How often do you get tired of an unreliable decorator? How often are you asking yourself, is anyone ever going to come up with new ways to decorate? And how often do you get stuck looking at this setup charge and that run charge, and things are so complicated when it comes to decorating? I'll bet that happens often. Well, I have a solution for you. The company's name is Amacor Printz with a Z.com. You're going to love this company. They are revolutionizing decorating. In fact, this North American decorator is unbelievable. They do screen printing, embroidery, direct to vinyl, direct to film, heat transfer to vinyl, you name it, they do it. But they have patches and clip tags that are revolutionary, that you've never seen before, I'm sure. Let me start with the first one. The first one is called 3D Tech. Wild, huh? I love this technology. This is a patch that actually has raised silicone on it, and it gives it some texture so that if you see that on a piece of apparel or on a beanie or on a scarf of some sort, you're actually seeing three-dimensionality to that logo. And not only that, using that same technology, 3D Tech, this company, Amacor Printz, can actually decorate in full color process. So that logo can bounce out of the patch, or they can do a reverse and a cutout and have the whole outside of the logo be this raised technology. 3D Tech, it is wild, I love it. And you can order it in a variety of different finishes, from narrowed edge to zigzag stitch, you name it, Amacor does it. And if that's not blowing your mind, then you are going to love Reflect Tech. I love Reflect Tech patches. And the reason I love them so much is that there are so many companies out there who are working around the clock these days. Maybe you're an ambulance driver, maybe you're a policeman, maybe you're a construction worker working on a freeway in the middle of the night. Don't you want your logo, don't you want your name patch to have reflection technology so that people can see you? Yeah, I thought so too. This is why I love their decorating technology. But in addition to that, they've got tons of other patches, from faux leathers to something they call Flock Tech that is beautiful, to Color Tech that allows you to put full color process with die cut shapes no matter where you want to put that. They are awesome. I love Amacor Printz, and you're going to love them too. They're located here in North America. Their lead times are ultra fast. They manufacture, they process, and they apply everything here in North America. You gotta love that, don't you? So this company is creating waves all over the industry right now, and you want to check them out. Check out their technology as well, because like I said, they eliminate all of those extra setup charges by giving you technology that shows you one price. And they've just come out with a knitwear category. Everything is made here in Canada, including the decoration that goes on that, and you're gonna have to wait for my next video in this series to check out all of that information about their technology and their knitwear. But for now, check out amacorprintz.com and you will love, love, love their decorating. I'm Alex from Promonoise, and let's keep making beautiful noise.